Hi, welcome to our Wellbeing Toolbox talk. Today we're looking at an important tool in our toolbox, positive thinking. What exactly is positive thinking? Positive thinking is seeing the glass as half full rather than half empty. It's trying to look at the positive side of things rather than the negative. This type of thinking requires adjusting our mindset and substituting a negative soundtrack in our head with a more positive one. One way to do this is to listen to our thoughts and try to identify when we're being negative. Sometimes there's even a pattern. For example, we might think negatively whenever we lose a game. But thinking positively would be realizing that we're getting better each time we play and can still have fun, whether we win or lose. Just like we're not born to be resilient, we're not born to be a positive or a negative thinker. But we can learn to be a more positive thinker with the help of some self-talk. For example, if maths isn't your strongest subject, you might be dreading an assignment, somehow assuming you're not going to do well. But thinking positively would be saying, well, even if I'm not at the top of the class right now, I'm learning something every time I do an assignment, and if I really get stuck, there are people who can help me. Positive thinking is a habit that comes from practice. Just like we exercise and lift weights to get our bodies strong, we also need to train our minds to be strong. Believing in ourselves and having realistic expectations can help to develop positive thinking. Positive thinking isn't thinking only about good things and always avoiding the bad. It's being mindful and trying to think of positives, even when there are negatives. Sometimes a simple gesture like having a gratitude jar can help with positive thinking. From time to time, we can write on a small slip of paper all the positive things in our life. And then on a day when things don't go according to plan, we can take out one or more of the slips and realize we have a lot of things we can be grateful for in life. Surrounding ourselves with positive people, staying healthy, and remembering to have a laugh can also help with positive thinking. Let's take out our toolboxes and toss in all the things that we talked about today, the many ways that we can think positively and be better equipped on our well-being journeys. We try to listen to our thoughts and replace negative thoughts with some positive ones. It's also important that we believe in ourselves and that we strengthen our minds just like we strengthen our bodies when we exercise and play sport. Whether we use a gratitude jar or not, we'll remember to be grateful and to keep perspective. We'll also try to surround ourselves with positive people. And last but not least, we'll remember to laugh as often as possible. Anyone can learn to think positively, so try it. And check out our next video, where we learn more tools for our well-being journey. This time the 3 C's: communication, connectedness, and creativity. Thanks for watching.